So this is Gbpusd and I'm on 4 hours time frame. So when you look at this trade, you see that apart from the head and shoulder pattern that has been broken, I talked about it in my previous video. If you've not watched it, do well to go back and watch it. So apart from the fact that there was head and shoulder right here and it has been broken, there's something I want you to see. This is head and shoulder. There's the head, there's the left shoulder, there's the right shoulder, but that's not what I'm here to talk about, because already it has been broken and it retraced back and it has sold massively. But I want you to see something right here. Market is doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So lower high. So when you put a line here, you see that it has already broken structure right there. The structure has already been broken. It's been broken, this structure right there. So it's doing retesting. So break and retest. Now once it gets here, it will continue selling. But there's something I want you to also see when it comes to SMC setup, SMC strategy. I want you to see this right here. So you see that structure has been broken here and it has already taken it out. According to SMC, once structure is broken right here, you wait for it to take it out, which it did. It has already taken it out right here. So one would expect that the market will continue buying. See, let me show you the break of structure. So this is the break of structure right here. Go to test BOS. All right, so break of structure. So you see this low has already been taken out. So according to SMC, it will continue buying, but you see that it did not buy because it's not respecting SMC at this moment. That doesn't mean that SMC doesn't work. It works, but for this very particular setup, SMC is not working right here. So what is working is market breaking structures. Break and retest is what is working right here, because you see it's doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So when it gets to this particular place of retest, that's when you will start looking for confirmation for entry for sell. You see that market broke this structure and retraced back to this level and it sold again. It broke this structure. So when it broke this structure, it retraced back again, did as if it wanted to start selling, and then it reversed back again. So you see market was doing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So after this low, there was no other low. It didn't break the low. It didn't break this current low. So what it did was that it broke the recent high, which was this. So the moment that happened is a signal that there's a change of character. This is what we call change of character. This chalk right here, this is change of character. So you see that as soon as it broke this level, this low, it didn't break this low again, so it broke this high, signaling a change of character. So as soon as it broke this high, it did a little retracement up to this one and then it bought. So if you measure this buying, we would see that was around 76 pips. So this, if you had entered here, this will be your first take profit, second take profit. You see that it hit the first take profit, second take profit, third take profit, it hit it so well, and then fourth take profit. You see it stopped at fourth take profit. This would have been the fifth take profit, which is not guaranteed because you see it didn't get there before it started reversing. So if you had entered this market to buy, you would have made yourself some more than 70 pips. So after that, it now retraced and it sold massively. This was news. This candle is an institutional candle, so this was news. So you can see that this was a kind of a retracement. So what you're going to do now is wait for confirmation to continue buying. So but if he sold and break this low, if he breaks this low again, it means that we are not buying again, we are going to be selling again. But it's not going to do that because already there's a change of character. So what will happen is that we'll wait for confirmation for a buy, and then we'll enter a buy. Then you'll buy, and then up to this place. So if you're entering this buy, let's say you enter from here and to here, this is another 70 pips of trade. So all you will do is wait for a confirmation before you can enter the trade for a buy. Always use break even in all your trades. If it stop you out, fine, you do not lose money. But if it goes your way, you make profits. And even if it stop you out, you enter again. Though that could be stressful, but a long run, you're worth it because you didn't make losses and you made profits.